Introducing the ultimate countdown of gaming's most iconic sound effects. Join us as we journey through the history of video games, from the pixelated adventures of the past to the immersive worlds of today. These sounds are more than just auditory cues, they are the heartbeat of our gaming experiences. Whether it's the familiar jingle of collecting coins in Super Mario, the electrifying Hadalon in Street Fighter, or the headshot confirmation in your favorite first-person shooter, these sounds have left an indelible mark on gaming culture. Get ready to reminisce, celebrate, and explore the magic of the top 10 most iconic video game sound effects. It's time to turn up the volume and relive the nostalgia.
In number 10 is Mega Man Death FX. The death sound effect in the classic Mega Man series is a significant and memorable part of the franchise's audio design. The Mega Man death sound is characterized by a series of electronic tones that play when Mega Man loses a life. Due to the challenging nature of the Mega Man games, players may hear this sound effect quite often, particularly during the early stages of gameplay. While hearing the death sound can be frustrating, it often motivates players to improve and try again to overcome the game's obstacles. For many fans, the Mega Man death sound brings back nostalgic memories of playing the games and facing their challenging levels. The item get FX of Legend of Zelda is set in number 9. The item get sound effect in the Legend of Zelda series is a recognizable and rewarding audio cue when Link collects key items and heart containers. For fans of the series, the sound has a strong nostalgic value, often associated with memorable moments from their adventures as Link. In many games, the sound accompanies Link's reaction when he finds a new item, revealing it with a triumphant animation. The exact notes and instruments used for the chime can vary slightly from one game to another, giving each iteration a unique auditory signature. Hearing the sound effect is a satisfying and rewarding experience for players, incentivizing them to keep exploring and uncovering secrets. The item get sound effect is a delightful part of the Legend of Zelda's audio design, underscoring the joy of discovery and the importance of items in Link's heroic journey.
Coming with a boom at the number 8 is Fire in the Hole, Counter-Strike. Fire in the Hole is a memorable and iconic voice line from the Counter-Strike series, used by players to warn teammates of an incoming grenade throw. The phrase "fire in the hole" is commonly used in military and explosive contexts to warn of an imminent explosion. It has its roots in military lingo and is used to alert others about a grenade or explosive device. Different versions of Counter-Strike and regional variations may feature different voice actors delivering the line, adding some diversity to the voice acting in the game. Fire in the Hole is a prime example of how a simple voice line can become a vital component of the game's communication, strategy, and culture, leaving a lasting impact on players. This is my favorite. In number 7 is the Final Fantasy victory theme. The victory theme in the Final Fantasy series is an iconic and uplifting piece of music that plays when players achieve success in battles or quests. The victory theme was composed by Nobuo Uematsu, the renowned composer responsible for much of Final Fantasy's music. The victory theme is typically a very short piece, usually lasting just a few seconds, but it's instantly recognizable to fans. The victory theme is a constant feature throughout the mainline Final Fantasy games, with minor variations to match the tone of each installment. It plays after defeating enemies, bosses, and often at significant milestones in the game, such as completing a quest. The Counter-Strike is still striking in number 6. Headshot sound effects. The headshot sound effect in Counter-Strike is a distinctive auditory cue that signifies a precise and deadly shot to the head. The headshot sound effect plays when a player successfully lands a shot to the head of an opponent. It indicates a critical hit with the potential to eliminate the enemy with a single shot. The headshot sound provides immediate and satisfying auditory feedback to players, confirming their accuracy and precision. A headshot is one of the most skillful feats in first-person shooters, rewarding precise aiming and quick reflexes. It can turn the tide of a match by eliminating an opponent instantly. The sound effect may vary slightly depending on the weapon used, reflecting the type of firearm and ammunition involved. The headshot sound effect in Counter-Strike is a testament to how well-crafted audio cues can enhance gameplay, celebrate skill, and contribute to the overall experience of a game. Number 5 is Hadalon from Street Fighter. Hadalon is a well-known term and attack move in the Street Fighter series meaning surge fist or wave motion fist. It is one of the signature moves of Ryu and other characters in the series. To execute a Hadalon, players must input a specific command sequence, usually by moving the joystick or directional pad and pressing a punch button. The exact input varies between versions of the game. When executing the Hadalon, Ryu often shouts Hadalon. This vocalization has become iconic and is instantly recognizable to fans of the series. The Hadalon is Ryu's signature move and is closely associated with his character. It has become a symbol of the Street Fighter franchise itself. The Hadalon is a fundamental element of the Street Fighter series, representing both the technical and cultural aspects of the game. It has contributed to the enduring popularity and recognizability of the franchise.
You win! Perfect!
Powering in number 4 is PowerUp sound in Metroid. The PowerUp sound effect was composed by Hirokazu Tanaka, who also worked on the music for the original Metroid game. His work contributed significantly to the series' audio identity. Acquiring power-ups is a core element of Metroid gameplay, and the sound effect enhances the sense of empowerment and progression. While the essence of the sound remains consistent, the specific notes and patterns may vary between different Metroid games, providing unique auditory experiences. In Metroid games, power-ups are often tied to puzzle solving and exploration, making the sound effect an integral part of the player's journey. The power-up sound effect in the Metroid series is not just a part of the game's audio design but also a key element that enhances gameplay, underscores the feeling of accomplishment, and contributes to the series' enduring legacy. The fastest hedgehog is in number 3. Sonic ring sound effects. The sound of collecting rings in the Sonic the Hedgehog series is an iconic and instantly recognizable audio cue. The sound of collecting rings was created by Tomoya Otani, who has worked on the music and sound design for various Sonic games. The sound effect serves as positive reinforcement for players, rewarding them for collecting rings, which act as a form of protection and currency in the game. In many Sonic games, collecting rings is a crucial step toward accessing special stages to collect Chaos Emeralds, which can lead to transformations and special abilities. The sound effect provides immediate auditory feedback, letting players know that they've successfully collected a ring. It also signals that they haven't been hit by an enemy. In number 2 is Super Mario Coins. The sound of collecting coins was composed by Koji Kondo, who is renowned for his work on the music and sound design of many Nintendo games, including the Super Mario series. The sound effect serves as positive reinforcement, encouraging players to keep collecting coins, which grant extra lives and contribute to score in different Super Mario games. Coins may have varying point values, but the sound effect remains the same, underscoring its significance. While the core sound remains consistent, the specific notes and musical cues may slightly vary between different Super Mario games, adapting to the game's unique audio design. The sound has become a cultural reference and is often parodied or imitated in various media, symbolizing gaming and Mario's legacy.
Get over here! Come here! Come here! Get over here!
Before we reveal the number 1, we'd like to ask you to support our channel by hitting the like button and subscribing. By doing so, you'll stay updated with more fascinating videos that you're sure to find engaging and entertaining. Your support means a lot, and we look forward to sharing more amazing content with you in the future.
Number 1. Super Mario theme. The Super Mario theme was composed by Koji Kondo, a prolific and celebrated video game composer known for his work on various Nintendo games. The theme made its debut in the original Super Mario Bros. Game, released in 1985 for the Nintendo Entertainment System, NES. The theme is celebrated for its catchy and instantly memorable melody. The simple, upbeat tune has made it an enduring classic. The Super Mario theme has remained a staple of the series, appearing in numerous Mario games over the years. The Super Mario theme has had a significant impact on video game music and has influenced many other composers and game soundtracks. The theme has transcended gaming culture and is recognized worldwide, often associated with the larger Mario brand.